At a railway station in Pakistan's East Lahore province, train examiners and Chinese engineers are checking new train coaches imported from China ahead of their formal induction in Pakistan Railways for commercial use. Some Pakistani engineers and technicians visited China in September last year to receive training about the coach's maintenance. They will be further trained while working together with their Chinese peers in Pakistan.
نالج گین کی ہے, کافی ایڈوانس ٹیکنالوجی ہے وہاں پہ, اس کو ہم نے گین کیا ہے کہ کوچز کو ایڈوانس کوچز کو کس طرح, ہائی اسپیڈ کوچز کو کس طرح.
Lei Song, an engineer with China Railway Rolling Stock Corporation Tangshan Company, said that as many functions of the coaches are new to Pakistani engineers and technicians, their job is to provide training services regarding repairs and maintenance work.
车辆设置了电视系统，然后还有这个音乐然后咱们车内的这个空调都是自动空调，然后咱们这个照明都是采用了立的灯，车内用的材料都是一些环保轻质的。
Pakistan acquired the coaches from China through a transparent bidding process. From the contract to acquire 230 coaches, 46 arrived in Pakistan at the end of last November, while the remaining will be manufactured in Pakistan with China support. Su Weiyue, senior engineer and the project manager of the Overseas Project Department of CRRC Tangshan Company, said that by the middle of this year, raw materials for the remaining 184 coaches will be imported, and Chinese technicians will help Pakistan produce and assemble the coaches in about 2.5 years.
我们把我们的技术输出出去，然后并帮助他们形成自己的能力，有能力去建造出自己属于自己的这个产品，